sure it is behind us. Huh? Welcome back to the train channel. We got a Norfolk Southern. Looks like it's a we got a Norfolk Southern gondola train coming. Let's roll it and check it out. Behind it's this time it's behind us. No AC to DCs this time. My goodness. The Norfolk Southern what? Gondola train. Actually, it's a manifest because I see a tanker there. Looks like it's a yeah. Oh, we got a tanker on a gondola train? I can't believe it. Yeah, we got we got a tanker on a gondola train. That's odd. Something rare in the middle of the train. Yeah, we got an unusual freight car on a gondola train. Actually, well, it looks like it's a gondola turning into a manifest. Looks like it's a manifest. Looks like it sure is. It was like it was gondolas and it turned into a manifest now. Yeah, we got a Norfolk Southern manifest, freight mixed manifest with a bunch of gondolas behind the power. You don't see them too often. Yeah, it looks like it's a manifest and gondola combination. We'll have to put that on the title. Yeah. The phone's overheated again. The one on the live stream, not on the regular video. Oh, DPU all right, engine number 4777. Didn't see that. No, I didn't see the DPU until I said something. Oh, we got some Autoracks. Oh my goodness, gondolas, manifest, and a bunch of Autoracks probably at the end. Yeah, and this is gonna be the assembly's gonna be 100 or 300 manifest. Looks like. My goodness. This is another big train here. Oh, we got a manifest behind us, or yeah, there's a train behind us. Yeah, manifest behind us. Another train coming here. But there's DPU in the end. No, there's the end. Oh. A few, four UP grain hoppers at the end in a row. Wow. Oh, wow. Symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern, either 100 or the 300 symbol with the DPU all right in the middle. On this Wednesday, March 26, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. Oh wait, we got what's this? We have another. I see something else behind the tree. It looks like it's another train. I see something. I was looking at behind the tree. See what was this? Huh? Yeah, looks like it's another train. Looks like. I just want to make sure before... No, I just want to make sure before I shut the camcord version off and see if I heard another horn. Huh? Oh. This is a westbound. This is a westbound manifest, yep. I thought before it was a manifest, I thought it was the gondola. I thought it was a gondola train, but with that tanker, looks like it's a manifest. I was thinking it wasn't going to be a manifest. I was thinking it was going to be a manifest mixed in with a tanker in the middle of it. Yeah. So, all right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with another train. Talk to you later.